All right. So this is target number 8.
12302. Suppose that A is a real number for which x plus 1 over x equals A is satisfied by some real number x not equal to 0. Then x to the fifth plus 1 over x to the fifth can be expressed as a unique polynomial P of A and A with integer coefficients and leading coefficient 1. Compute the product of the non-zero coefficients of P of A.
So we can start with
Kind of just x plus 1 over x and kind of work upward until we get x to the fifth plus 1 over x to the fifth. So if we want some powers, naturally we should start taking stuff to the fifth power or fourth power, third power. But we're gonna take it slowly and start with second power first. So we're gonna square this expression and kind of expand the left side to get x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2. X times 1 over x is 1, and there's 2 of them, so that's plus 2. We get a squared. So x squared plus 1 over x squared equals a squared minus 2.
And to get closer
to 5, we'll square this again. X squared plus 1 over x squared. So
we'll get x to the
fourth plus 1 over x to the fourth plus 2 is
a squared minus 2
squared.
And then we'll subtract
2. And then we'll get x to the fourth plus 1 over x to the fourth equals a squared minus 2 squared minus 2. Then to get x to the fifth plus 1 over x to the fifth, we just need an extra x plus 1 over x. This simply just multiplying by a, since x plus 1 over x is a.
And we'll get x to the fifth
plus 1 over x to the fifth
plus x
fourth times 1 over x is x cubed, and then 1 over x to the fourth times x is 1 over x cubed. And we get a times a squared minus 2, minus 2 quantity squared minus 2. We need x cubed plus 1 over x cubed, and that's simple to get. Let's just do x squared plus 1 over x squared times x plus 1 over x. We get a times a squared minus 2. Here we get x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus x plus 1 over x. X squared times 1 over x is x, and then 1 over x squared times x is 1 over x. We get a times a squared minus 2. This is just a.
So x cubed
plus 1 over x cubed equal a times a squared minus 2 minus a. And so just plugging things back in, we get x to the fifth plus 1 over x to the fifth is P of A is a times a squared minus 2 quantity squared minus 2 minus quantity a times a squared minus 2 minus a. And kind of simplifying things, we get a times a to the fourth minus 4a squared plus 4 minus 2 minus a cubed minus 2a minus a. So here, P of A, we kind of simplify, expand out, and simplify like terms. We get a to the fifth minus 4a cubed. 4 minus 2 is 2 times a is 2a. And then minus a cubed. And then minus 2a minus a is minus 3a times -1 is plus 3a. So we get a to the fifth minus 5a cubed plus 5a. This is our polynomial P of A. And so the product of the non-zero coefficients of P of A is 1 by -5 by 5. And we get -25. That's it. We're done.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.